Taliban have seized Afghanistan's second and third biggest cities as resistance from government forces failed, stoking fears that an assault on the capital Kabul could be just days away. With every passing day, the important cities of Afghanistan has been falling into the hands of Taliban. A government official confirmed that Kandahar, the economic hub of South, is now under Taliban control. Taking control of 18 out of 34 provinces. Afghanistan has 34 provinces in total, with Taliban now controlling an estimated 65% of the country's territory. In total, Afghanistan has 34 provinces. Out of them, 18 have fallen, which means Taliban now control roughly 65% of the entire nation's territory. The provinces that have fallen are Saranj, Sheber Khan, Sarepul, Kunduz, Talukan, Aibak, Farah, Pule Khumri, Faizabad, Ghazni, Herat, Kandahar, Lashkargah, Kalai Nav, Ferozko, Pule Alam, Terakot, Kalat. President Ashraf Ghani likely to address the nation, with pressure mounting on Afghan government and forces as Taliban close in. There are reports that the President of Afghanistan, Ashraf Ghani, may address the nation. The Taliban and Pakistan, however, demand his resignation. Sources said that the Ashraf Ghani is likely to address the country on Saturday to inform them about the fate of its government. The meeting will most likely be about how the transition might take place. Late on Friday, the government, however, confirmed that it stands and has full faith on its defense forces. We stand firm, says Afghan government. Afghan First Vice President Amrullah Saleh said he was proud of the country's armed forces. It was decided with conviction and resolve that we stand firm against Taliban terrorists and do everything to strengthen the national resistance by all means and ways, period. He tweeted after a national security meeting chaired by President Ashraf Ghani. US rushes troops to speed up evacuation. Rapid Taliban conquest across Afghanistan led the Biden administration on Friday to rush 3,000 fresh troops to Kabul airport to help with a partial evacuation of the US embassy in the capital and send thousands more to the region to be on standby and speed airlifts for Afghans who worked with the American military. The temporary buildup of troops for the US evacuations highlights the stunning pace of the Taliban takeover of much of the country. The Taliban completed their sweep of the country's south on Friday as they took 4 more provincial capitals in.
For latest updates, please subscribe the Global Mirror YouTube channel.